In front of me is REALME 9 Pro, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, then tap on More icon and click on Settings. Now more blocked numbers right here, and first of all you can block all unknown colors by using the switcher. Just click and it will be active. Obviously you can unblock them the same way, and then you can also add some number to your blacklist by tapping on Add a Number, and now provide some number manually. Tap on Block, and from now on it is blocked, so this number will not be able to reach you anyhow. You will not receive any calls or messages from this number. And you can remove a number from your blacklist smoothly by tapping on cross icon and then click on Unblock. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.